Let's learn more about photosynthesis through this cool photosynthesis pockets activity. Get your scissors and your glue and let's start. Using our scissors, we're going to cut out these squares. Always be careful when using your scissors because they are sharp. Once you're finished cutting out all the squares, we are going to fold the in and out pockets. How do we do this? Easy. I have highlighted the area that you need to fold, so you will fold it in behind the leaf, and this will create your in and out pockets. I've started with the side and then I folded the bottom over the two sides. Remember to only fold the shaded area around the leaf square. Then take your glue and apply it to the folded gray area. Avoid adding glue to the middle back part of the pocket. Now we're going to stick it to the page. Remember to stick the in pocket to the left side of the flower diagram. Now you can do the same with the out pocket. Stick it on the right side of the flower diagram. You've just created your in and out pockets. Now you can see that these pockets are where we are going to place our elements. What is this element called? That's right, oxygen. So you can write oxygen as the label. What is this called? That's right, we have water. What do we call this? The sun. What do we call this element? Carbon dioxide. What do we call this chemical? Glucose. Now it's time to place each of these elements in the correct pocket. So, do you remember the photosynthesis equation? Let's take a quick look. The plant uses energy from the sun to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. So let's complete the photosynthesis pockets, remembering this equation. First, we have glucose. Does that go in or out of the equation? It goes out. Carbon dioxide goes in. Energy from the sun is used to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. So there you have it.